There's a version of you she can't play with, can't push, can't confuse. A version of you that is calm, steady, and unbothered not because you don't feel, but because you've learned to master what you feel. That version is untouchable. And after tonight, you're going to start living as him. Listen, most men try to win respect by chasing, explaining, texting essays at midnight, negotiating for love as if attention is a coupon you can redeem. You know where that ends: resentment, anxiety, and a woman who learns that your center moves every time she does. Untouchable doesn't mean cold. It means centered. It means your life has gravity. Everything orbits around your mission, not her mood. So let's begin. First, you decide your rhythm. Untouchable men don't refresh their phone for a heartbeat of validation. Your day is already spoken for: training, work, learning, prayer, journaling, building. When the phone buzzes, it's a knock on your door, not a leash around your neck. You reply when it aligns with your standards and schedule. Sometimes that's soon. Sometimes that's tomorrow. Either way, your piece is not on auction. Second, you speak with weight, or you don't speak at all. The weak man floods the conversation with words because he's afraid of silence. The untouchable man lets silence do the heavy lifting. He listens. He observes. He answers simply. He doesn't perform. He doesn't scramble to fill the air with proof that he's different. He is different, so he doesn't need to announce it. Third, you reward alignment, not chaos. When she's kind, consistent, and feminine, you offer warmth and presence. When she tests you with pettiness, hot and cold games, or disrespect, you withdraw attention, not love of self. You don't punish, you pattern match. Chaos in, access down. Respect in, access up. You're training both of you what love means in your world: respect first, then romance fourth. You keep your promises to yourself. Every rep in the gym is a vote for your future. Every page you read is a brick in your frame. Every dollar you save is freedom you can feel in your spine. Women feel this. The world feels this. Your body language changes when your word to yourself is iron. Your shoulders relax. Your eyes soften, not from weakness, but from certainty. That's the glow nobody can fake. Fifth, you don't negotiate your boundaries, polite, but firm. If you say, I don't entertain disrespect, then one instance is enough. If you say, I don't chase, then you don't break the rule at 2 a.m. because you're lonely. Boundaries you enforce become character. Boundaries you explain become speeches she stops hearing. Let me tell you a quick story. A man wrote me months ago, shattered. He'd been orbiting a woman who loved the attention more than the man. She'd disappear, then reappear. He'd always be there, flower in hand, apology ready, even when he did nothing wrong. I told him, for 30 days, stop negotiating. Train at 6 a.m. Read every day. Clean your space. Build your network. Keep your phone on Do Not Disturb during focus blocks. When she reaches out, be warm, be brief, be busy. Invite her into your real life, don't collapse your life into her texts. 2 weeks later, she noticed. For weeks later, she asked, what changed? Nothing magical. He simply became a man again. And men who are moving forward don't need to be chased by ghosts now. Will she test you? Count on it. She'll poke to see if your center is real. She'll delay, flirt with the line, throw a small jab of disrespect to see if your old self returns. You don't scold. You don't write an essay. You simply adjust access. Hey, I'm not available for this energy. If you want to connect, bring your best. If not, all good. Then you go back to your life. This is not a performance. It's gravity. Untouchable doesn't mean unreachable. You can love deeply and still be firm. You can laugh, tease, kiss, and still carry a spine made of oak. You're the ocean, calm surface, powerful depths. She can swim. She can admire. But she doesn't direct the tide. Here's the practice that makes this real. Anchor mornings. Phone on airplane mode. Move your body. Journal 1 page. What would the stronger me do today? 3 non-negotiables. 1 for body, 1 for mind. 1 for mission. No 0 days, respect filter. If it costs your peace, it's too expensive. If it costs your self-respect, it's forbidden, short sentences. In conflict, be simple, that doesn't work for me. I'm not available for that. Let's try again another time. Leave well. If you must walk, walk clean. No dramatic exits. No paragraphs. Wishing you well. Then you live. What happens next? Sometimes she rises into your standard. Sometimes she exits. Either way, you win. Because the goal was never to keep her, it was to keep you. When you keep you, the right people keep showing up. One day you'll look in the mirror and realize you're not faking calm anymore. You are calm. You're not acting confident. You are confident. You're not pretending to have a life. You do, and that is the moment you become untouchable, not because no one can reach your heart, but because no one can move your center. Breathe. Shoulders down. Eyes up. You've got miles to walk and a life to build. If she wants to walk beside you, she'll match your pace. If not, you'll still reach the mountaintop, lighter, stronger, and finally free like this. If you're done explaining yourself, subscribe for more Stoic, masculine guidance every week and tell me in the comments, what boundary are you enforcing starting today? I'll read them and hold you to it.